I have always felt like an outsider, whether it was because I was quiet-spoken, a woman, or a cultural misfit growing up in Northeast America as an Asian minority. I learned eventually that being part of a network was a key to success. At Wurster Hall, I finally found a group of forward-thinking, socially minded design thinkers. One of those was with Carolyn, whom I met on the sixth floor of Wurster Hall. Today, we support each other from different coasts as parents, community leaders, and budding entrepreneurs. Our networks help us help others. They root for us. They share their sphere of influence. Some call this a personal board of advisors or mentors. Whatever it is where things happen. So grow your own, as the climb up can be lonely at times. And having a network for support is what will make it fun for everybody.